So now that you have clicked on this particular video, yes, you guessed it correct that story pins are now idea pins on Pinterest. The way idea pins work on Pinterest is going to be a bit different than the normal pins that we are used to. Basically, you cannot go ahead and add a link on your idea pins. The basic objective of idea pins is to go ahead and share your content, and in return, the user or the person who is actually viewing your pin can go ahead and start following you. So the call to action for idea pins is basically to go ahead and get more and more followers for yourself. The way I have seen about the idea pins is something that I'm going to talk in this particular video. Let's get started. I'm going to show you how do you go ahead and add an idea pin, and I'm going to show one of the idea pins that I uploaded just day before yesterday, and it's getting a good response. Honestly speaking, I have not uploaded much of idea pins, but compared to the normal video pins that I regularly go ahead and upload, this one is giving me a faster response. Let's get started. Following Reimagine, creators are sharing ideas in a new way. Learn how to reach your audience with pins and following. So I opened my Pinterest application, and this is the new update that I've got from Pinterest. The first one is this. The second one is inspired with idea pins. Idea pins are unique new Pinterest format, full screen, multi-page pins where you can record video, tag people, add text and more. If you haven't yet turned on the idea pins feature on Pinterest, you can go ahead and check it out. It's a really cool feature, and I'm going to show you at the end of this video how it's helping me. I just uploaded a pin like day before yesterday, and it is giving me a good amount of impressions. Anyway, coming to this, a new way to browse creators and their idea pins. Now show up on the top of home feeds, follow some creators to see examples of idea pins your audience will love. And then it's going to give you this particular screen to go ahead and start following few of the creators. So these ones are not related to my niche. I don't know why Pinterest is not showing up the creators which are related to my niche on Pinterest. But this was the screen that I got, and I wanted to share it with you guys. Alright, so if you're wondering how to go ahead and upload or how to add an idea pin or how to add a story pin on Pinterest, it's basically click on add button. And earlier the idea pin was not available for all the creators, but now it is globally available for all the creators. Go ahead and check it out, and it's a great way of increasing your followership. So click on that idea pin option over there. I'm gonna select a particular video and just select next. So basically this is one of the clips.
What is up and welcome back. How to enable two-factor.
Alright, so this is one of the basically clips of one of my YouTube videos about securing your Twitter account, how to enable your Twitter account security, how to enable two-factor authentication on your Twitter account. Basically, so I've added that particular clip over here, which is like a 42-second clip, and I'm gonna add a particular text over here just to attract the people, saying that how to enable two-factor security on Twitter, and I'm going to highlight it with the color that's a blue, and I'm going to click on done. You can go ahead and adjust it the way you want. It's similar to Instagram या अपना LinkedIn या अपना Twitter, and yeah, I'm going to click on done. Now, since this is a 42-second clip, it's going to allow me to go ahead and add another maybe 10 or 12 seconds or whatever. I'm not good at maths, but you can add a maximum of 60 seconds, as we are all aware of it. Then you click on next. Now, as I said earlier, it doesn't allow you to add a particular link. Whenever a user clicks on your idea pin, the user is not going to get redirected on any particular website. Instead, it's going to give an option for the user to go ahead and start following you. So you can just go ahead and start naming, add it to a list. I'm not going to add it to a list. Picking up a board is always important for your idea pin. I'm going to go ahead and select my one of my Twitter boards over here. Twitter. Yeah. Alright, that's it, and I'm going to go ahead and select the topics. So I'm going to go ahead for social media. I'm gonna go for marketing, and I will go for online media, I guess. Sorry, digital media, and click on done. Once you're done with the tags, advanced setting is something which you don't need to actually look around with, and just click on publish. That's about it. Now it's going to give you you want to see your idea pin. This is the idea pin. You can go ahead and click on the stats. Since now no one has seen that particular idea pin, no stats are available, but I'm going to show you the stats that are available for one of my pins which I uploaded day before yesterday. And honestly, it's giving me quite decent amount of impressions. Yeah, I mean, in one day, how much can you expect as a organic growth? This is not paid or anything. This is basically all organic, and it has given me 845 impressions, out of which 5 people have clicked on my pin. And basically it's doing good for me. I think in one day, if you're getting 1,000 impressions, around 10,000 impressions on Pinterest, it's gonna be really good. Apart from that, yeah, that was about the idea pins. As I said earlier, the user cannot go ahead and go on a particular link on the idea pin. It's basically the user is going to follow you. So that's more important. For instance, if I just click on Pinterest India's these are the story pins or idea pins that Pinterest has actually uploaded. And if I go ahead and click on the save button, you can go ahead and save it. And if I wouldn't have been following Pinterest, it would have been, directly taken me to the follow page. It's not going to redirect me to any other page that the creator wants to go ahead and add. There is no link addition in that. Apart from that, what I wanted to share with you guys is, one second. No, that is moda everything. So I just opened my Pinterest application, and I came across that Pinterest has enabled all of these idea pins to a worldwide user database. Wait, I have that email. Yo, so this is the Pinterest. Basically, I received this email yesterday from Pinterest. It's already live to all the creators. I read that line somewhere, yeah. One second. Chamfer, it's harder to create now, whatever. 470 million users, creators. Yeah, okay. Idea pins, formerly known as story pins, are now available to all creators. They have even more eye-catching features like video, music, stickers, and tagging to bring your ideas to life. It's similar to Instagram pins, Twitter pins, whatever, Twitter story pins as we add. Now idea pins show up in more places on Pinterest, making them the way for you to get discovered and share your passion with an engaged audience for inspiration. The distribution of idea pins is really enormous right now, and as I showed you one of the examples of one of my idea pins. I don't upload a lot of idea pins, I just have 5 of them. I got the featured eligibility thing like I guess one month back or something, and since then I started uploading. Anyway, so this was basically, I wanted to show you the update of Pinterest story pins or Pinterest idea pins for Pinterest 2021. These are the new latest feature that has been launched on Pinterest for all the creators. Go ahead and check it out. If you like this video, guys, please go ahead and hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with another hack for you guys. Till then, keep watching the channel.